Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieved this silk press using my Kinky straight wig. This is from Nadula Hair. I'm going to show you guys the whole process of how I got this kinky straight texture to this silky luster bone straight silky straight. If you guys want to see, then stay tuned. Jumping right in, I'm going to show you guys the company. Of course, they sent me goodies. I got a little silk drawstring bag, of course a wig cap, and then a Nadula elastic headband, some cute 3D lashes, of course a bonnet, and this is the wig. This is their 13x4 frontal kinky straight wig. It is in the color number 33B, or a red brown. It did come in 24 inches and 130 density. Now, do not be scared of that 130 density. With this kinky straight, it gave us more than enough. I'm going to go in with my Bio Silk Serum, and I'm also going to take my silk pressing comb and my Babyless Nano Titanium Straightener. All three of these things can be purchased from your local beauty supply store. Now I'm just going to take a small section, and this section is about maybe 2 inches thick, and I just split it in half, and I take one section, which is about, I say 1 inch or just a couple of strands of hair, and I'm going to run my straightener through my hair about 3 times. Now, I only really needed only one pass, as you guys can see from that first pass, but me being a little perfectionist, I'm going to do it 2 more times just to press it out silky, silky, silky straight. And once I'm done with that, that is going to be basically my base foundation for how I plan on pressing out the rest of the hair. Now, I am going to show you guys on video me doing one whole section, but of course I sped it up just for the sake of the video. But you basically just want to repeat those same steps. I will go over the hair 2 to 3 times, and all I use is the Bio Silk Serum, my silk pressing comb, and my Babyless Pro Titanium Straightener. So yeah, I'm going to repeat these steps until I get all the way up to the top, and then we're going to come back with the finished silk press. Full speed, come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the heat. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for that belly, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce, baby, and hitting bills. Bags full of $100 bills, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for that belly, yeah. Speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the heat. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for that belly, yeah. Alright ladies, so this is the finished look. Get into it. I had to give you guys a 360. This unit is, for it to be 130 density, and this is what I was telling you ladies earlier, for this to be 130 density, this is Kinky straight hair. You cannot see through this wig at all. You cannot see the back of my shirt. You can't see a track. You can't see nothing. Okay? And I love this texture of this hair. Like, it just gives me blowout. Like, it just gives me realness, naturalness. Like, it just matches. It just gives me realistic hair vibes. Here's what it's looking like up close and personal. Y'all already know we don't do no flitters, no filters, no nothing. And I get real up close and personal with y'all. Okay? I want to show y'all that the lace is lacing. Okay? Looking like scalp. Real cute. Extra little baby hairs. Dum, 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 dum. Making it do what it do. Real cute. Again, this is Nadula Hair. This is their reddish brown Kinky straight unit. It did come in 24 inches and 130 density. We did silk press this, and I would say slayed this hairstyle. 10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend. This is going to be one of the fall must-haves. If you guys are interested in this in this wig, please click the link below. Sleep, baby, on the G-Web.